today we have another versus battle. Let's get it.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
Yes, sir. It's a battle of the distressed jean Jordan 1s. My right hand here is the turbo green Jordan 1s, still DS. I didn't get a chance to put these on yet. And I done brought Charlotte Hornet. I done brought a lot of stuff. I really have to get this on, man. I'm embarrassed by myself. And over here you have the Jordan 1 Hyper Blue, Real Hyper, something hype. And if you a sneaker fan, even if you ain't a big sneaker fan, you know this sneaker's been a problem this year. The release was terrible.
Got it.
And they keep restocking on FLX or Flex or however you say that app that I always spend all my points and I never win nothing. But like every week it's second chance this, second chance that. Hey man, wifey brought these for Father's Day. Like I was gonna pull the trigger even when it was 450. I was gonna pull the trigger because I didn't have faith in none of those sites. Once I seen that release date, it was bad for these. So yeah, these are getting compared to these a lot. And first and foremost, I just want to end the debate. Let's get it. Let's start with the Turbo Greens, being that they released way before the Hyper Royals. The Turbo Greens released in February, I think February 15th of 2019. I know it was around Valentine's Day. That I do remember. And I got these from the Sneakers app. Wild crazy. And this was for $160. This is before Jordan 1s went up to $10 to $170 retail. And when these sneakers came, I said, man, I love these sneakers. I used to have the crimson joints that was similar, but I got rid of them because I just like these so much. I still can't believe I ain't put these on feet yet. I think it was the turbo green tail look mixed with the purple shoestrings. You know I'm a Laker fan. But this screamed Hornets at me. The tongue got your yellow and purple Laker look. And that's what I like. It also had the off-white cushion out style. It was just such a different shoe, man. This was the second time we seen the writing there. The first time, like I told y'all before, was with the crimson joints. But that reads SP19 Air Jordan 1 High OG. So yeah, that's how you can also know that they came out in 2019. If you look on StockX right now, prices for this sneaker range from $480 to $600. That's crazy. When they went up to $400, I was gonna sell because I didn't wear them yet. But I like this sneaker too much, man. So that's the introduction of the Turbo Green. Now, the Hyper Royal Jordan 1s. And these released April this year. I know when some of y'all see this sneaker, y'all cringe because y'all just mad that y'all couldn't get it for retail. The bots ate this one, man. And the foot sites messed up tremendously with this one. But yeah, these are the Hyper Royal. And this blue is more settled and more easily to wear jeans and whatnot. Fine, you know, you can find almost anything to rock with this sneaker. And that's what makes this sneaker so dope. It doesn't have the 2020 SP Jordan 1 writing like the Hyper Royals. But you don't really miss it on this pair, man. You have a gray swoosh on the Turbo Greens. You have the same color and same material as the sneaker on the swoosh, as you can see there. And the number one difference in these sneakers, to me, is the tumbleness. As you can see on the Turbo Greens, you have way more tumbleness than the Hyper Royals. Even on the sides. See the tumbleness? It's like they over tumbled the turbos. As in the Universal, the tumbleness is really not there. I mean, the swoosh has tumbleness, but the inside patch that we look for the tumbleness is not there. I feel like the Hyper Royals incorporate gray a lot more. As in your turbo, you just have white, off-white, sail white, whatever you want to call it, in the turbo color. No other color, as the Hyper Royals have more of a gray hits all around the shoe. I have to check my box and make sure a shoestring bag didn't fall off, but I don't think it did. So with your Hyper Royals, they incorporate a royal blue shoestring. As with the Turbo Greens, they incorporate 2 pairs of shoestrings. The same color, Royal, Hyper Royal, Turbo Green, and then purple. In that comment section below, guys, let me know which one would y'all lean to. I mean, if we talking about being unique, I'm definitely going to lean towards the Turbo Green. But if we talking about everyday wear, straight to foot, I got to go with the Hyper Royals. And that's why I was going to pay resale for this sneaker either way. I just was waiting till closer to I knew I was going to wear the sneaker, man. But let me know in the comment section below which one would y'all go with in this versus battle. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes, man. Thanks for watching, man. Please hit that like button. Everybody get rich.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.